The Bank of Ghana has justified its decision to revoke the license of GN Bank in 2019, insisting that the action was warranted due to significant regulatory breaches. This response comes amidst calls for the restoration of GN Bank's license. The central bank maintains that GN Bank failed to comply with critical financial regulations and banking standards, which threatened its operational stability. Here's more.
It will be recalled that the Bank of Ghana on August 16, 2019 revoked the licenses of 23 insolvent savings and loans companies and finance house companies. These actions were taken pursuant to Section 123, subsection 1 of the Banks and Specialized Deposit-Taking Institution Act 2016, Act 930, which required the bank to revoke the license of a bank or SDI where the bank determines that the institution is insolvent. The Bank of Ghana explained that the revocation of the licenses of the institutions had become necessary because they were insolvent even after a reasonable period within which it had engaged with them in the hope that they would be recapitalized by their shareholders to return them to solvency. One of the affected banks was GN Bank. In recent times, there have been calls for the restoration of GN Bank's license. Responding to these calls in a statement issued on Friday, the central bank maintains that the GN Bank failed to comply with critical financial regulations and banking standards which threatened its operational stability. The central bank said GN Bank fell short of capital adequacy, liquidity and governance, and risk management requirements. The central bank also notes that GN Bank consistently failed to meet its minimum capital requirements, raising concerns about its ability to absorb losses and protect depositors. Despite this development, the management of GN Savings and Loans Limited has begun an intensive campaign nationwide to have its revoked license restored. Reporting for Channel One Business, my name is Emmanuel Opong.